There's a part of making money online that almost nobody shows you. Not the product, not the pitch, the part that happens before any of that. Most people assume you need to invent something first, a course, an app, a brand. That assumption stops more people than any actual skill gap ever could. There's a model where someone else already built the product, already has the customers, and already pays a commission for the introduction. It's called affiliate marketing, and most people misunderstand it completely. Most people are also using AI completely wrong, and it's quietly costing them momentum every single day. Open a chat, ask a question, get an answer, then wonder what to ask next. That's how almost everyone uses AI, one disconnected prompt at a time. Businesses run on repeatable processes, not one-off answers. There's a completely different way to use AI, and it changes everything about how consistent you can actually be. My name's Charles Draven. I didn't come from a marketing background. I learned this one mistake at a time the hard way before any of it made sense. Learning this stuff shouldn't feel like drowning in noise, so I built Map Syndicate to cut through it, one clear step at a time. Once I figured out three specific things, the entire picture clicked into place. Not theory, not hype. Three real shifts that changed how I approached all of this. The first one had nothing to do with skill, it had to do with a belief I didn't even know I was holding on to. The second one is about knowing what to actually commit to instead of guessing your way through 100 different shiny opportunities. And the third one is about AI specifically, why prompts aren't the advantage everyone thinks they are, and what actually is. I put all three of these, the whole thing, into one free workshop. No fluff, no jargon you have to already know going in. Quick honesty check. Nothing here promises income or guaranteed results. This is about understanding how the model actually works, so you can decide for yourself. If any part of this made you curious, the full workshop is free and it walks through all three secrets in plain language. Go watch it by clicking on the link in my description. I'll see you in there.